I feel like I've cursed myself because I'm painting like shit. I'm painting really slowly and I'm painting like shit. God, look at this crap. This is 2 days into this stuff already. That looks like absolute shit. It's so cookie cutter crap. I like my dog, but I'm going back to basics. I only know that in his mouth is going to be the cloak of death. So I'm going to start there and hopefully I can kick this funk I'm in. Crikey! Well, that's all the time I have today. Let's see here. God, the lighting in this room sucks ass. This crap hole light above, look at that. God, someday, baby doll. That's what I call myself, baby doll. Someday, baby doll. You can get a room that's well lit. Treat you so nice by pretty things, real pretty things. All right. Maybe low light's better. I don't fucking know. Look, I got Death's scary face painted in there, okay? I got his face, I got his hand, I got his sickle coming up here. See, I'm working through. Here's his scary hand, here's the blade. Here's the dog pulling on his robes. Here's the terrified human. And so I look at it and I think everything's laid out fairly well to where now I can at least start painting on this thing. So that's what I'm gonna do. Except I gotta wait until, I don't know, when's the next chance I'm gonna have to paint is. We'll see. Bye.